Is A1 tooth shade too white? In our opinion, the A1 tooth shade is not too white because it's not even the whitest natural tooth color, but this is what A1 looks like. All right, just give you a up close look, and then if you compare to all of the natural tooth colors here, I mean it is whiter than most of them, you know, but it is not the whitest natural tooth color. That one belongs to B1 actually, right there. So if we kind of compare the two, you can kind of tell that the B1 is just a smidget whiter than the A1, so it isn't the whitest natural tooth color. It is, however, whiter than average. The average tooth color is actually the A3. So if you kind of compare these two, yes, it is whiter than average. All right, but another really common color, the second most common, is actually the A2. But if you kind of compare them, right, I mean it is like a little bit whiter than it, but it's not like excessively white, if you know what I'm talking about. The ones that are too white would be the bleach tooth colors, like these, like the 0M colors, right? If you kind of compare the A1 to the darkest bleach color right here, 0M3, right? The bleach one is definitely whiter. You can still see like a tinge of yellow in the A1. And then if you move on to the next level, which would be the 0M2, right? You can definitely tell that the A1 is no yellowish right there, right? And if you compare it to the whitest bleach tooth color on this planet, which is 0M1, right? You kind of compare it, it is like no comparison, right? You can you can tell, yeah. So, but yeah, so A1 is definitely not too white in case you were worried about that, you know. But it is a good tooth color. It's better than the darkest one, if you know what I'm talking about. If you compare A1, the A1 to 5M3, it's a pretty big difference. This is the 5M3 is like smoker's teeth, right? So yeah, but yeah, you know, if you're choosing a color, A1 is a good color in our opinion, and it is not too white.